Hey guys, welcome to Jash Outline. This video is about how you can use Google Maps navigation system on Mi Band 3. So, let's get started. In order to get Google Maps on Mi Band, you need to install Mi Band Maps app from Play Store. Just search as a Mi Band Maps in Play Store and you will find the app. When you get the app, the first thing you will notice is that it is a paid app. Yes, you need to pay 50 rupees to get this app. This is an app which is compatible for Mi Band 3, Amazfit Bip and Amazfit Core. When you install this app and open it, you need to choose the device which is Mi Band 3 and click on this button to turn it on. After this step, go into Mi Fit app and go into your profile tab. In profile tab, click on where you can see battery percentage and Mi Band name. Then you can see options called app alerts. You need to click on it and enable the app alerts option. After that, you need to click on icon called manage, which is at the bottom middle of your screen. Then you can see lot of apps where you need to select Mi Band Maps app. This is how you need to configure. Now you can launch Google Maps and select any destination, then start navigation on Google Maps. Then you can see a sudden buzz on your Mi Band 3, and there you can see the directions arrows and meters, kilometers info on Mi Band 3 screen, which is directed from Google Maps. That's it guys for this video. If you like the content in this video, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel because much more content coming up related to technology. So see you guys in the next video. Until then, chill out and keep rocking.